Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents
How to eliminate earwax at home. Earwax is a substance which is naturally found in the inner ear. This substance protects the ear from bacteria and other harmful organisms. Also, earwax is a natural lubricant for the whole ear and ear canal. However, there are cases when its amount increases, and this can cause discomfort as well as irritation, loss of hearing, itching, dizziness, etc. This is why ear hygiene is crucial. The blockage usually happens when you use cotton swabs to clean the ears because they push the earwax deeper into the ear canal. Also, people who regularly wear earplugs or in-ear headphones are at a high risk of accumulating too much earwax. Instead of using swabs to remove the wax, you should try the following solutions. In this way, you will prevent the buildup of surplus wax. Saline solution. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in half cup of water and then soak a cotton ball in the solution. Then drop a few drops into the ear when tilting the head on the one side. Remain in this position for a couple of minutes so that the liquid can penetrate the ear canal and soften the earwax. Next, tilt the head in the opposite direction and use a tissue to gather the draining liquid. Paraffin oil. Heat 3 tablespoons of paraffin oil over a candle flame and then drop a couple of drops into the ear and lie for a few minutes. Then rinse any remaining wax with warm water. Repeat the procedure for 3 days until you dissolve the accumulated wax. Hydrogen peroxide. Mix equal amounts of hydrogen peroxide and water. You need to use 3% hydrogen peroxide available in pharmacies. Then drop several drops into the ear and shake the head gently so that it enters the ear canal. Wait for a few minutes and then tilt your head to the opposite side so that the liquid can come out. Glycerine. Drop 4 drops of glycerine into each ear 3 times per day for optimal results. Olive oil. Drop 2 to 3 drops of olive oil into the ear before going to bed. Try to sleep on the opposite side and repeat the treatment for 4 nights in a row.
Try out these remedies at home and share your experience in the comments section below to help others learn that which remedy had worked for you the best. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.